Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you things to ask on a date. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. What do you like to do in your spare time? Asking this can help you learn about someone's interests and hobbies and help you discover points of commonality. It's a fantastic chance to discover what their interests are and what they like to do in their own time. Do they enjoy reading, doing sports, or DIY hobbies, for instance? 2. What do you have a strong passion for? This might assist you in understanding their priorities and core principles. It can also help you understand what drives people in both their personal and professional lives, by giving you a sense of what inspires and motivates them. Do they, for instance, have a strong concern for social justice, the environment, or personal development? 3. What are your long-term objectives? Knowing their aspirations and life goals will help you better relate to them. Additionally, it can help you understand what they are aiming for and what matters to them in the long run. Do they wish to establish their own business, explore the world, or improve their locality, for instance? 4. What do you do for a living? This can give you a better understanding of their line of work and daily activities. Additionally, it can assist you in comprehending their work ethics and methodology. Do they like their job, do they find it challenging, or do they want to change occupations in the future? 5. What do you like to do best on the weekends? You may get a sense of how they like to unwind and rest from this. It can also help you get a sense of what they like to do for fun and what their concept of the ideal weekend is. Do they favor staying home and watching movies, going out with friends, or pursuing a particular interest, for instance? 6. How was your family when you were young? You may learn more about their upbringing and how it influenced who they are today from this. Additionally, it might help you understand how they feel about their childhood and their interactions with their family members. For instance, did they get along well with their parents and siblings? Was their upbringing happy or challenging? Did they have to shoulder a lot of responsibility at a young age? 7. Where would you go if you could go any place in the world? You can learn more about their travel preferences and hobbies from this. You may get a sense of what people value in terms of culture, adventure, and relaxation from it as well. Do they long to see historical sites, unwind on a tropical beach, or enjoy a city's nightlife, for instance? So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.